What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back to the channel. In today's video, we have some insane updates for you guys, life updates and everything. But today is the first time I get to show you guys the new shop. We have a new shop, all concrete. We'll get into it in a second. I'll explain everything while I've been hiding it. But run the intro, talk to you guys in a second.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright. And I'm back again.
Okay, guys, so you might be asking yourself, Eric, how? So many questions. How'd you get a new shop? I'll answer those in a second, but first, let's take a tour inside. We've got a bunch of cool stuff in here. We've already started putting stuff in here. Moved all the tools over from the old shop, and we had a big move in, and we're pretty much fully operational here. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and just give you guys a tour, and we'll hop down on the benches to give you guys a full in-depth reasoning on how we got this place. But yeah, let's do it. Let me open the door real quick. Be right back. Okay, first walking in the door, we have the 65 Mustang Fiona sitting here. You guys seen the last video. We just finished priming her, saying all the body work's done on her. The engine and trans are coming out next video, but we'll get to that later. Got the Lyle over here, we're doing some work on her, but as you guys can see, all concrete floors. Nice shelving over here on the walls. These shelves are actually out of an AutoZone that my dad got a while back. They even have the tags on them from AutoZone. Well, we've got Mustang parts here, some other tools over here. As you guys can see, we're not finished completely moving in yet. We're still waiting on, I'm gonna put some tables against the back wall. We have to wire in the 220 outlets for the welders and everything like that. But we do have power. I got the motorcycle here. This bike is a whole different story I've been working on. Haven't made any videos on it. If you guys would like some motorcycle videos, I'm just working on this bike kind of behind the scenes, but let me know. But we have the benches, some stuff in the corner. Got a new cherry picker over here. Over here is my fridge, 1955 General Electric fridge. This thing is awesome. Got some tools I got from my grandpa. Just some drawers, some shelves, some stuff like that. Toolboxes, and a bunch of flags. My favorite flag, Shelby American flag. And just some cool stuff. The space, I believe, is a 20 by 50 shop. So we have, gosh, it's crazy. No more working on the gravel floor. We have a concrete floor, a place to keep all the cars out of the weather, and it's just gonna be fantastic. I'm just so excited, guys. We've actually had this shop for about 6 months, but we just got power here last week. So we have lights wired in the ceiling, everything like that. Everything's hooked up, but gosh, it's so exciting. I'm just so excited. But yeah, this is the shop, 20 by 50. This is gonna be where all the magic happens from now on. The old place served its purpose. It did a great job starting out, but it is time that we move to something a little bit more permanent and have some concrete where we can do some real work in here. But let me dive, we'll hop on the couch, put the camera on the tripod, and I'll talk to you guys exactly what's going on. Okay, guys, so you probably have a ton of questions for me, and I'll try to do my best I can to answer everything. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments, we'll get to it. But, so this shop, I wanna let you guys know up front, I'm still in college, 21 years old. This place is technically not mine, it's technically my parents'. And they are moving from the house right now to over here. And I'm not gonna tell you guys where we're at, but they're moving. And part of moving up here was getting this new shop put in place. So this is kind of like an investment on them and for me. So I'm gonna be doing a ton of work in here, but I'm not trying to tell you guys I'm some rich prick. This isn't mine. Family owned. We're gonna do a lot of cool stuff in here, but I'm not trying to rub this in you guys' face. Be like, look at my new shop I just bought, because that's not how this worked out. But anyway, so this shop was actually built about 6 months ago, and you guys have seen it in a couple other videos, just sneak peeks of it. But we've been waiting for power for so long, and power came in the last week finally. So we're able to put the lights in. I ran receptacles all around the wall. My dad helped me with a lot of this stuff. But we still have a lot of work to do. We're not where we want to be. But guys, this is such a huge improvement for the channel. I mean, we went from a gravel floor, one bay. When the first video came out, we had one bay and a gravel floor to we have ability to put about 4 cars in here, all concrete, all my tools, everything I'll need. And got a 65 Mustang sitting in here, I got my Jeep in here, I got a motorcycle in here. So this is freaking sick. Guys, if you really want something and put everything into it, things happen. I mean, I'm just saying, like a year ago, I had dreams of this happening. And literally when this place, we were building it, I came out here and prayed. It's like, if this is what I'm meant to do, give me some sort of sign. And a year later, I'm sitting in a new shop. So don't doubt your purpose and keep working for what you're working towards, because things do happen in your favor. But got some crazy life updates going on. I won't get into in depth with it, but basically, I'm still in school right now. I'm doing a summer class and just trying to knock that out. So I'll be busy with that. But the company I'm working for right now, because you guys know I work full time, I have a little bit of break, like I'm being furloughed basically. So basically I'm gonna crank out as much content as humanly possible over the next month or two, even though I'll probably go back to work before then. The goal is to pump out as much content as possible, because I'm really tired of not putting everything into this. And we just got this new shop, everything's lining up, and I just want to put everything I have into this. I really just want to push myself to be as great as I possibly can be, and I want this just to shoot up. I want to make some amazing cars, which we do have plans for. Don't you worry. We have some sick cars we're gonna build after the Mustang gets started. We gotta finish the Mustang first though, so we'll get into that later. But I have some crazy lofty goals that we're gonna try and reach. But yeah, things in my life have been a little hectic lately. I don't know if you caught on my last video when we were doing body work with the Mustang. A lot of personal things been going on. You know what, I'll be 100 with you guys. I'll keep it straight with you guys. I've been dating a girl for about 2 years, and last week she decided to break up with me. So it sucks. It is what it is. You guys know, going through a relationship and everything. Girl, 2 years, kind of had everything planned around that, and it just kind of fell apart, which probably my fault, partly her fault, but it is what it is. We just move on. So that relationship's over. It's in the past. We're gonna move on. I think a lot of it has to do with a lot of people don't see the vision that I have, and if you don't see the vision, it's really hard to see where I'm coming from. You know, so we'll just leave it at that. We're gonna have a lot more content coming your way. Content in 65. We have F100 content coming up soon. That's been my daily for the past week. We'll get into that in the next episode. But we have a ton of content. And let me know if you want to see stuff on the motorcycle, because this motorcycle, we'll get into a little bit. This motorcycle was my dad's motorcycle back in high school about 30 years ago, and he parked it about 20 years ago, and I got it running about 2 weeks ago. So that's super cool. I really want to get into making like moto vlogs and that sort of thing. But if that's something you'd like to see, some motorcycle content, us learning how to do motorcycle stuff together, let me know in the comments. But like I said, guys, stay tuned. We have some freaking sick stuff on the way. My goal for the next few years is to become the next Richard Rawlings / Carroll Shelby / Cleese McFarland. So if you guys want to see that, want to be part of that journey, hit me with a follow, a subscribe, and everything. But yeah, things are about to get really, really cool in the next few days. Few weeks anyway. But there's not much else to sell, not much else to tell, but guys, I'm so excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am to be here right now. I've dreamed of this forever, ever since we got started. in that freaking one bay garage with gravel floors. We bought the first car, and I think it was a 2005 Chevy Cobalt. Click the link for that video, which was over a year ago. Starting there, we've progressed our way to a 65 Mustang and a new shop. So guys, dreams do come true, and just wait for the next year because it's gonna be absolutely insane. I promise you that. I promise that the next year is about to get absolutely insane. But guys, that's all I've got for now. Later today, we're gonna be pulling the engine out of the 65 Mustang, which we'll get into next video. But stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for all the content coming up. We got this shop now, guys. Things are about to get insane. We got a good feeling about this place. We got a good vibe going. It's summertime. Single. Time to pump out some insane content, and let's really get focused here. All right. Anyway, guys, thank you guys a ton for watching. Stay tuned for another video this week. I love you guys a ton. Let me know in the comments, like I said, what we should do next, what kind of content you guys like to see, because I'm gonna start pumping it out to you guys. I'm gonna start trying to see if I get 4 or 5 vids a week. So stay tuned, should be awesome. Love you guys a ton. I'm so freaking excited. All right, guys, I'll see you guys later. Gotta go to the gym, double bicep pose. See you guys later.